Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. This video will be a tutorial on eBay affiliate program. If you're looking to earn money from eBay partner network, then stay tuned in this video as we'll be showing all the steps necessary so that you can consistently start earning money per day with the eBay affiliate program. This works even with no prior experience. With the eBay partner network, you don't have to deal with handling any products or shipping. There is no inventory risk, and you don't have to be liable for returns or complaints. You could use eBay's massive platform to promote over 1 billion eBay listings, and eBay will handle all the customer service themselves. All you have to do is drive targeted traffic to eBay listings, and whenever someone purchased after clicking your links, you'd then be earning commissions on that specific sale. This passive income model is perfect for a lot of people as they can leverage eBay's massive reach without all the logistical headaches that you can face reselling items or starting an online store yourself. It's also free to join the eBay partner network and takes just a few minutes to get approved. You can then start promoting immediately once your account is set up. The standard commission rate is about 50% of eBay's referral fee for a transaction, and referral fees vary by category but are generally about 5 to 10% of the total purchase amount. So to give you a simple example that will help you understand this better, if you promote a $1,000 laptop on eBay, the referral fee is about like 8% or $80, and then you can earn 50% of that as an affiliate, which is about $40. So just by driving that one targeted sale to eBay, you would earn $40 on commission, and the ability to earn recurring passive income by essentially renting eBay's massive customer base is very appealing. The key advantage of the eBay partner network specifically is that it's free and easy to sign up to. You will be getting instant approval to promote billions of listings. There's also cookie tracking conversions across devices for 7 days, and the ability to monetize the website content and social media traffic. And not to mention that the direct deposit payment processing weekly when you hit $25 plus. So as you can see, eBay provides their affiliates with all the tools that are necessary to begin earning immediately. And that's why at the start of the video I said that you don't need any prior experience for this. So let's look at proven strategies to start promoting effectively and maximize your earning potential. The great thing about the eBay partner network is that you can leverage many different platforms to promote your affiliate links. You've got niche websites where you can build niche product review sites and recommend related eBay listings with your affiliate links. Or for example, you can create a best product style guides leading to eBay, or write roundups of hot items in a particular category and then link to them. If you haven't figured already, there's also blog content where you can publish blog posts about the best gadgets or gift ideas, buying guides, deals, etc. And with that, you can embed the affiliate links to relevant eBay products within the articles themselves and guest post on blogs with engaged readers who may buy from eBay. YouTube videos also play a huge role with affiliate marketing, where you can create YouTube reviews showing the cool eBay products in action, unboxing hot new eBay products on camera like the top tech gadgets, or share eBay come shop with me style videos browsing the popular listings. Another underrated technique is Pinterest promotion. You can design eye-catching pin images linking to eBay products, or create themed Pinterest boards filled with the eBay find. Tailor affiliate pins to trending styles, holidays, hobbies, and interests. Lastly, we have social media where you can share unique eBay products on your social feeds or TikTok videos, for example, giving sneak peeks into upcoming eBay haul videos, or pull your followers to learn what they're shopping for. The key is choosing the right platform to match your audience's interest. Then share eBay listings tailored specifically to them. And with the massive range of products and styles on eBay, there are limitless possibilities to earn commissions driving targeted traffic. Okay, so how do you tap into the huge potential of the eBay partner network? Here are some key tips. You need to select high ticket in demand niches. Don't fall into the trap of promoting low cost commodities like phone chargers and pins. The commissions earned per sale will be tiny. Instead, focus on lucrative niches where people spend big money like electronics, jewelry, collectibles, hobby supplies, such as crafting, sewing machines, welding equipment, or for example sneakers where you have rare and collectible shoes. So you get the idea, target expensive items with higher order values. 10% of $100 is obviously much more than 10% of $10. Next up, you need to do some buyer keywords and intent research. Leveraging keyword research to identify searches with strong buyer intent. Some examples will be like where to buy, such as the product, top rated product on eBay, best deals on a certain product, or the cheapest place to buy such product. These are targeted phrases that indicate users ready to purchase a specific item. Promote affiliate links targeting those high converting searches. You also need to solve pain points and offer value. Don't only sell, instead provide value, helping shoppers to make the purchasing decisions. Finding authentic products, not overpaying, evaluating sellers and item conditions, or sifting through the overwhelming choices. Using these methods, you can position yourself as an expert curator rather than a salesperson. This helps build trust, guiding the buyers to quality eBay listings that address their needs. And while the eBay program provides an excellent business model, be sure to avoid these common mistakes, such as promoting irrelevant or low quality listings, using dishonest language or pressure tactics. You also have poorly matching promos to the audience interest, or infringing on eBay's trademarks. You should definitely avoid manipulating clicks just to drive the commissions, or repeatedly promoting the same stale products. Always apply integrity with your marketing to establish trust and provide real value, not just sales pitches. This also leads to long-term success. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make in the future.